The Philippine Air Force has received the first 2 out of 6 T129B Attack Helicopters made by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI. Temel Kotil, general manager of TAI, told S-Media, Inquirer, a Philippine publication that the first 2 T129Bs were delivered on January 8. In addition, Arsenio Andolong, spokesperson for the Department of National Defense, DND, previously said the next 2 units would be delivered in 2023, and the last 2 in 2024. Once commissioned, the helicopters will be assigned to the 15th Strike Wing of the Philippine Air Force. In July 2020, the Philippines Department of National Defense, DND, signed a contract for the acquisition of 6 T129B helicopters from TAI for P13.7 billion, $280 million United States dollars, through a government-to-government deal with the Turkish Ministry of Defense. The T129B is a Turkish derivative of the Italian-designed Agusta Westland A129 Mangusta, but equipped with Turkish-developed systems and weapons. Sale of the helicopter had been delayed, with the United States reportedly holding up export clearance for the LHTEC T804A turboshaft engines that power the T129B choppers. However, the engine export was allowed to go through as the export amount was below $25 million, the threshold required by law for congressional oversight that covers major defense sales with NATO allies. The LHTEC T804A engine are made by a joint venture by American firm Honeywell and the British company Rolls-Royce. When the Philippine Air Force, PAF, re-evaluated its capabilities and performance following the Marawi experience in 2017, it was found that the MD-520MG Defender and the newer AW109E power-armed helicopter lack sufficient firepower. In 2017, the Philippine government received confirmation from the Jordanian government that it would provide 2 second-hand Bell AH-1S Cobra attack helicopters, with more options, subject to the Jordanian government's decision, further complicating the decision-making process. Instead of acquiring more light-armed helicopters, the Philippine Air Force is now interested in purpose-built attack helicopters, even if acquired in smaller quantities. In the end, the PAF's Technical Working Group, TWG, selected the TAI T129 ATAK due to its lower price than its American competitors. TAI was able to offer 6 T129s for the approved budget, compared to just 5 AH-1Z Vipers from Bell, or 4 Boeing AH-64E Apaches from Boeing. On the 18th of December 2018, the Philippines and Turkey signed a Memorandum of Understanding on Defense Industry Cooperation that will allow government-to-government, G2G, acquisition and production, as well as technical cooperation on defense industry development. In July 2020, the DND signed a contract for the acquisition of 6 T129B helicopters from TAI for P13.7 billion, through a government-to-government deal with the Turkish Ministry of Defense. On the 17th of May 2021, after years of uncertainty, it was reported by multiple Turkish officials that the United States has approved export licenses to Turkey to sell T-129 military helicopters to the Philippines. On the 22nd of May 2021, PAF reported that it would send pilots and maintenance crew to Ankara to be trained by TAI personnel. On the 8th of January 2022, the first 2 T-129B helicopters were delivered.